Lying, uninformed, or misinformed. Take your bets, take your bets. First thing's really easy. It is the transfer. He was only transferred once. This is the recusal. This is the order of recusal. Judge Amber Givens Davis sent a recusal notice to the chief judge. The chief judge granted it and transferred the case from the 282nd to the 363rd. That is the docket sheet for the 363rd. This is his. This is his sheet here. Previous courts was FS. Current court is FW. FS is 282nd. FW is 363rd. It never went to FL, which would have been the Criminal District Court 5. So that one's done and done. That is uninformed, misinformed, or lying. Did the judge allow him to get non-bar counsel? This is the government code. I'm going to highlight this real quick just so I could find it again. This is the government code for Texas, statutes.capitol.texas.gov. This is official. This is official. This is the real deal. This section is what creates and regulates the Texas Bar Association. It is an entity. It is an organ of the state of Texas. Texas controls it. It's just like the DMV or anything else. Its purpose is to make sure that you get competent legal help, competent legal advice. If they don't control it, then you have less chance of getting competent legal advice. Now, just like doctors, where you can have a bad doctor or a doctor that commits malpractice, you could have a lawyer that's bad or commits malpractice. That happens. So nothing's perfect, but the system was designed to ensure you get competent legal assistance. So definitions in this chapter: the practice of law means the preparation of a pleading or other document incident to an action or special pleading, or a special proceeding. So it means the preparation of a pleading or other document incident to an action or special proceeding, or the management of the action or proceeding on behalf of a client before a judge in court, as well as a service rendered out of court, including the giving of advice or the rendering of any service requiring the use of legal skill or knowledge, such as preparing a will, contract, or other instrument, etc. State bar membership required. This is 81.102. Except as provided by subsection B, a person may not practice law in this state unless the person is a member of the state bar. The Supreme Court may promulgate rules prescribing the procedure for limited practice of law by attorneys licensed in other jurisdictions, bona fide law school students, or unlicensed graduate students who are attending or have attended a law school approved by the Supreme Court. They would be going after their LLM, which is Master of Laws. It's like JD, except it's the next step up. Yes, I have a JD. No, I don't have an LLM. So it is unlikely that the judge is going to allow a non-licensed attorney to assist Mr. Freeman in his case. That would probably be an error if the judge allowed that. I'm going to go ahead and say that would be bad. I don't know exactly what would happen. I'd have to research to find out, but I'm gonna bet that if the judge allows that, because you have a right to counsel. James even brings up the constitutional right to assistance of counsel. He has no idea what that means. He thinks that somehow just anybody he gets to pick who gets to help him. But no, the states can control and regulate the practice of law, just like they can control and regulate the practice of medicine, or they can control and regulate the practice of plumbers. So anyway, so yeah, there is no other constitutional amendment or anything that allows for non-lawyers to practice law. So I don't know what the hell he's talking about. But anyway, if he does have a non-lawyer, then assist him, then I don't even know, because like you could definitely do it pro se, but I don't know. I don't even know how that would go. I am at a loss. You get to pick it. And then finally, filming. He says that everybody's aware that he's filming, etc. And the judge is allowing it. That may well be. There in civil courts in Dallas, you can film. The DallasBar.org. It's the local bar for Dallas County. They are all members of the Texas State Bar. But they do say that there's no analogous rule of procedure for state criminal proceedings, so the judge may allow it or may not. So if the judge does allow it, you still can't record or broadcast jury selection, proceedings in chambers, jurors in the courtroom, or deliberations, and conferences between trial participants. So it will be interesting to see if how the judge controls his filming. But yeah, that part is plausible. It is plausible that the judge is allowing him to film. So that is your daily dose of Freeman Sovereign Citizenry. Thanks for watching and have a great day.